Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect contact form 7 after form submission to custom page or custom URL using JavaScript code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So in custom code, we are going to add time delay and also we are going to open link in new tab. Now go to dashboard. Now on left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. And then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select JavaScript snippet. So click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title and then you see code preview. Now paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see form ID 2758 and then you see window open. So you can add page or custom URL link according to requirement. Open in new tab. Now you see. So this is our time delay. 1000 mean 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds or 4 second delay. So you can increase this value. Now go to edit contact form. So this is our form we are using. Now you see ID. So this is our alphanumeric ID. So we are using numeric ID. So open this. Now edit contact form open and then you see 2758 in URL. So this is our numeric ID for this form. So we are using this ID, not alphanumeric ID. Now back to custom code. Now you see 2758 and then scroll down. You see insert method auto insert location site wide header. On top you see inactive now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to contact form page and refresh the page. So after that we are going to fill this form. So we added some content in form and then click on submit. Now form submission done and link open in new tab. Now you see. Now back to form. Now you see thank you for your message and after open this link in new tab. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.